Hello everyone, we are here today at the Villas at Grand Floridian to show you a deluxe studio with a standard view. This room does sleep up to 5 adults and has 2 bathroom areas, so it's really great for families.
And even with the beds all pulled out and everything, there's still enough room to kind of move around. So if you had 5 adults here, as long as you put the luggage in like the entry area over here with the closet and everything, I think it'd probably be fine to have 5 people.
Yeah, so let's check it out.
So entering the room here, you can see we've got a connecting door around the corner. That's to connect to the 1-bedroom villa, making a 2-bedroom lock-off. And then just to the left of the doorway, we've got a fun piece of art here that I have to point out because there is indeed a hidden Mickey in it. It's the only one we were able to find in this entire room. And you can see it right there. Now the bathroom area here in the studio is pretty nice because it does have a dividing door in the middle. So you essentially have 2 bathroom areas. The first has your vanity in it, and it does have one of those pocket doors that slides out of the wall, and it does lock, so you can close it off from the rest of the room. You've got the single vanity with a little bit of counter space up top and right by the sink, and you also have one of the cool TVs in the mirror. That's awesome. Right now we've got a storm going on outside, so all the channels kind of went out at one time, but we do have a TV in the mirror, so that's pretty awesome. And then we have a walk-in shower over here to the left. It's got 2 heads. It's got the removable shower head as well as the big rainforest style in there. Really nice walk-in shower here. And we do still have the individual soap and shampoo and conditioner here. And then going into the other half of the bathroom through this little dividing door. In here you'll find your toilet, which I need to point out has toilet paper stamped with the Grand Floridian logo on it. Yes, they stamped their toilet paper. They also stamped the tissues in the box over here. You can see it a little bit better on there. That's how fancy they are. They stamped their toilet paper and tissues. Super fancy. And then you have a tub and shower in here as well. This one does not have the removable head. It just has the standard shower head in the tub. And then there is also a pocket door to close this off. So 2 separate bathroom areas is a really nice perk here. Then your closet over here, you've got your iron and ironing board. You have your safe built into the wall. Of course, you have extra pillows and blankets for the pull-down beds. And then you have some extra toilet paper and tissues, a few little cubbies to store things in, and your hair dryer stored in there as well. And the studio has a kitchenette, not a full-size kitchen, so you do have a microwave. You have some plasticware up here, plates and cups and things like that. You also have an ice bucket in here and a can opener, and then you've got your coffee maker, of course, full-size coffee maker, and your toaster, and then your mini fridge down below. And this mini fridge, you'll see, does not have a freezer compartment, as most of them have started kind of getting away from that freezer section. And coming into the bedroom here, we have the queen size normal bed, and then we have the pull-out couch bed over there, and we have our single pull-down twin bed right here. We'll show you what all of those look like here in just a couple minutes. The TV built into the wall does have a Blu-ray player. It's kind of hidden, tucked behind this little door here. So you got your Blu-ray player in there, and you can get those from the desk downstairs to check them out and watch movies. Your bed has a couple lamps on either side of it, and down underneath, instead of being raised up off the ground and having just storage all the way around, there is a little kind of door. You can put your luggage underneath there on this half, and then on the other half there are actually drawers down underneath, so you can store things in the drawers underneath the bed. So a little bit different than the raised beds, but you can still have a little storage space there. The nightstand in between the bed and the couch does have a little USB outlet in there and a couple wall outlets. Not the same as some of the other resorts that have 2 USBs, but you do have one there. And then above our pull-out, we have a couple pictures here. I really love these. We have the songbook cover from Mary Poppins and from The Happiest Millionaire, of course, both of which the music was written by the Sherman Brothers. and pretty much everything they did was amazing, so it's really fun to have those in here. This room does have a ceiling fan too. That's worth pointing out. A lot of the rooms they've gotten away from those, they still have those in here. And then we have a small little table and 2 chairs over there. Now heading out onto our balcony, as we said, this is a standard view. So you could wind up with a view of the monorail track on the far side of the building, but we wound up here kind of beside the pool area-ish. Got a decent sized balcony, a couple chairs and a little table, and there goes the monorail. And it sounds like that storm's coming in right now. There's the rain. Pretty bad storm, it sounds like. So this is our standard view. Not bad at all, especially if you come over here and kind of look out. You can see the beach there, and I'm pretty happy with it. Personally, I liked being on the other side for the standard view where you could see the monorail going by, but this isn't bad at all. We'll head back inside and show you what the bed looks like when it's pulled out. So this is a queen size bed. Kind of step back here, you can see it's a decent mattress. It's not, a full-size mattress, but it's not the super flimsy ones they usually put on some of the pull-out beds. So decent pull-out bed there. It does take up quite a bit of room here, so once you pull those little tables off to the side, it gets a little cramped. Something to keep in mind there. And then we have our pull-down twin-size bed, and this twin-size bed has a fun little picture behind it from Dumbo. We have Mrs. Jumbo saying, "Sweet dreams." You've got the stork, you've got Dumbo in a few different places here. We did look all over, couldn't find any hidden Mickeys here, so if there are any, we just didn't see them. Good luck in trying to find them if you want to have a look, but cute little bed there. And you probably could put a full-sized adult here on the bed. It's not really short like some of the beds are that are pull down, so you could probably put 5 adults in here. It would get a little crowded with the luggage, but overall not too bad. So that is all for this room tour of the Deluxe Studio Standard View here at the Grand Floridian Villas.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give us a thumbs up below and comment with any questions you have. We're happy to answer those. And of course, subscribe to our channel so you know when we have more of these videos come out.
And if you'd like more information on this resort or anything else going on at the Walt Disney World Resorts, head over to herewiththeears.com and you can find some info there. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.